Dear student of class 6, good afternoon. Today I want to teach you new chapter, circles. What is the circle? A circle is the collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. मीन्स सर्किल जो है ये कलेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट्स होता है. All the points are equidistant from a fixed point, and this fixed point is called radius of circle. The fixed point is called center, and the center of the circle, and the constant distance is known as the radius of the circle. Please see it in the given figure. Here O is center of circle and OP or OQ is called radius of circle. Okay. Now interior and exterior of circle. A point lying inside the circle is called its interior, and any points lying outside the circle is called exterior of the circle. In the given figure, inside points are called interior, and this boundary line is called circle, and outside of the points are called exterior points of the circle. Now, dear students, please see another topics. What is the diameter of circle? A line segment passing through the center of circle and having its end points on the circle is called a diameter of circle. Means ऐसा लाइन सेगमेंट जो सर्किल के सेंटर से पास होता हो और उसके एंड पॉइंट्स सर्किल को टच करते हों, that line segment is called diameter of circle, and diameter of circle is equal to 2 multiplied its radius. So we can write D equal to 2 multiplied R. Further say, what is chord of circle? Line segment with its end point having on a circle is called a chord of circle. In the given figure, you see line segment AB, which is on the circle, not outside circle, is called chord of circle, and a line which passes through outside the circle, and this line is called secant of circle. Secant of circle. In other words, we can also say in diameter, about diameter, the diameter of the circle is its largest chord. I have already told you about secant of circle. Now, circumference of circle. The perimeter of a circle is called its circumference. If R is the radius of circle, then circumference of circle is formulated as C is equal to 2 pi R, where pi is a constant. Now semicircle. The end points of diameter of a circle divide the circle into two equal parts. Each part is called a semicircle. सर्किल का डायमीटर उस सर्किल को टू इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है. ईच पार्ट इज कॉल्ड semicircle. From the given figure, this diameter bisect this part is semicircle and this part is semicircle. Okay. So circumference of semicircle is equal to pi r. Pi r. Arc. Any part of circle is called an arc of circle. मीन्स सर्किल का कोई पार्ट जो है कर्व पार्ट को हम लोग आर्क बोलते हैं, कॉल्ड आर्क ऑफ सर्किल. हियर ACB from the given figure, AXB is a arc or this is semicircle. Sector of circle, the area, please see sector of circle, the area bounded by an arc and two radii joining the end points of the arc with the center is called a sector. मीन्स सर्किल के दो रेडियाई और एन आर के बीच का जो रीजन होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड सेक्टर ऑफ सर्किल. दैट इज कॉल्ड सेक्टर ऑफ सर्किल. दिस सर्किल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट. स्मॉलर आर्क मेक्स माइनर सेक्टर एंड greater arc makes a major sector of the circle. So in the given figure, OACB is a minor sector of circle and also OADB is a major sector of the circle. Please see at last topics. What is concentric circle? Two or more circles with the same center are called concentric circles. Means when the center of two or more than two circles is same, then those circles are called a concentric circle. In this way, dear students, now you have start to solve exercise 18 and complete it. Please take homework, complete exercise 18. I will check it when you come to school. Thanks.